What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This video is recorded after I made the videos for this event, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted to upload the video because there weren't that many clips, but it will probably turn out to like a 5, 6, 7, 8 minute video. But it was a small event at a open house of a tuning shop, NV Auto. They are a HKS authorized dealer, and it was a cool event. They gave us some free food, hot dogs and cheeseburgers, and some free like soft drinks. So that's always good. And they also had some like pretty cool parts for like the Subarus and stuff. And I got some over there. I'm gonna show you after the video. Yeah, enjoy those clips and see you at the end so I can show you whatever I got from there. So, all right.
All right, it's raffle time again.
Let's go with that one.
Want great food, and it's all free. Are you ready? You need to call this number. Just go over there. See Maria. We have this last one is 435-947. 947. If you have that number, we got another one. Please. All right. 944 Porsche. We have 944. You can see the dog on the body. And it's sent over. The big bodies over there. 435-944. If you have 944, please come up and claim your prize. All right, next number, please. 435-945. How about that? 435-945.
So these are the little accessories I got from NV Auto. I got this limited edition, I think, oil filler cap from HKS. I think it looks pretty cool, and it's red to spice up my engine bay. I also got this other limited edition radiator cap, and got this little parts tray from HKS again, and got this pretty thick HKS sticker, Shizuoka, Japan, and some air fresheners, and this cool towel, HKS, of course, again, with the oil spill graphic, and some Moto stickers. So yeah, it was a great event. That's it for this video.